Good morning, second graders. Today in math, it will be more of review. You are going to complete pages 239 and 240 and then have your mom or dad or guardian check it for you or upload it to Seesaw for Mrs. Mettert to see. So when you are working on page 239, you need to be careful and watch for the sign. Read the equation 91 minus 63. What is it asking me to do? It's asking me to subtract. So let's do two together. So if I look at 91 minus 63, if the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top, then I go next door and I knock, knock, knock. Or I hold up one finger. Can I take away 3 from that? Nope. So I have to go next door and ungroup a 10, cross out the 9, take away 1, that becomes an 8. And I put that 1 I borrowed here, and that makes it an 11. So then I'm going to do 11 minus 3, pound count 3, up to 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I get 8. Then 8 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, I get 2. So 91 minus 63 is 28. Okay, now I'm going to go on to 36 plus 9. Now I'm adding here, so I'm going to start in my ones cup. Pound count 9 up to 6 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I made a new 10, so I have to put that new 10 in my tens cup and drop my 5. Now 3 and 1 is 4, so I get 45. Let's do one more here together because we have 100 minus 74. If the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top, I go next door and I knock, knock, knock. Is anybody home? Nope. So I have to go over to the hundreds cup. Anybody home? Yep. Cross out the 100. The 100 becomes a 0. And I need to give that 100 to the tens cup. So now I have 10 tens and 0 ones. So I still need to get some over to my ones cup here. So I'm going to cross out my 10. My 10 becomes a 9. And I'm going to give that over here to the 1. So now I have 10 ones and 9 tens. So 10 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 6. 9 minus 7, 7, 8, 9 is 2. And then 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, go ahead and finish the rest of the problems on this page, and then you're going to turn the page over and complete page 240. It says, Mr. Hebard makes 48 muffins on Monday. On Tuesday, he bakes 24 muffins. How many muffins does he bake during these 2 days? So if I start with my math mountain, I know that he bakes 48 muffins on Monday and 24 muffins on Tuesday. We want to know how many total muffins he bakes in 2 days. So I'm going to put my unknown at the top. My two add-ins, he baked 48 muffins on Monday and 24 muffins on Tuesday. I can put my subtraction signs in and my plus signs, and I know I'm going to add 48 plus 24 equals what? So I'm going to set up my equation. 48 plus 24, make sure my ones and my tens are all set up, plus and my equal sign. So 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry my 1, drop my 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I get 72. If I forget what my label is, I go back and read the question. How many muffins? So I'm going to write muffins. Muffins. Oh man, it is hard to write with this. 72 muffins. Okay, then go ahead and finish number 14, 15, and 16 for your story problems.